Another year, another frantic Google search for what to get a guy for Valentine's Day. Whether it's a new dude you're seeing or your husband of a mind-boggling number of years, you know he deserves the best. But what does that mean now that it's time for you to start shopping? Thankfully, we've scoured the entire internet, yep, all of it, for man-approved gift ideas of all kinds, indulgent, practical, trendy, classic, personalized and everything in between. Though they range in type and price point, they're all super thoughtful and available online, aka perfect. Links to items are below this video in the description. Number 1. The Whiskey Wedge Corkcicle. We feel like James Bond would approve of this nifty whiskey sipping glass. To use, insert the silicone form into the glass, add water through the hole in the top and freeze the whole thing until ice forms. You're left with a wedge of ice on one side of the glass and a drink that won't get watered down. Here's a gift-giving tip from one Amazon review: wrap the box and have the cup already frozen in the freezer so he can enjoy it right away. Number 2. The Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker Takeya. Any iced coffee drinker will appreciate the ability to whip up their own batch right at home. The Takeya Deluxe Cold Brew Iced Coffee Maker turns grounds into a concentrate overnight, which you can then drink cold or turn into a cup of joe with boiling water. Personalize this Valentine's gift with a bag of his favorite coffee grounds and a funny mug that involves an inside joke. Number 3. The Kindle Paperwhite Amazon. No offense to real, actual books, but it's just so easy to use a reading device like a Kindle. Now thinner and lighter than ever, the new Kindle Paperwhite has twice the storage of its previous version, 8 GB, and is completely waterproof. Present it to him with a book from his favorite author already downloaded. Number 4. The Skeleton Gear Cufflinks Tateossian. If he still dreads situations that call for cufflinks, think weddings, galas and other black tie affairs, he just hasn't found cool enough ones yet. This gear-inspired, rhodium-plated pair is ideal for engineer and mechanic-minded men or, really, anyone who wants a truly unique accessory. They also make great groomsmen gifts, if you know someone in the market. Number 5. G3 Percussive Therapy Device Theragun. If you were considering splurging on a fancy sports massage for him, consider this mega-popular vibration therapy device instead. It pulses 40 times per second to stimulate circulation, generate heat and relieve even the deepest kinds of tension, tightness, knots and other variations of soreness. Famous Theragun fans range from Justin Timberlake to the Dancing with the Stars cast to pro athletes like Kyrie Irving. Number 6. Letters to My Love novelty book Lee Redmond. A truly personalized gift, this paper time capsule includes 12 prompted letters, e.g., when we first met, and what I love about us, that will show your partner how much your relationship means to you. Fill them out with your favorite memories and milestones, post-date each envelope and then kick back and admire this easy solution to a lifetime of being unable to express your love verbally. 7. Versa Touchscreen Smartwatch Fitbit. Looking for a practical gift he'll love? Thanks to built-in Amazon Alexa, the Fitbit Versa 2 smartwatch is like having a virtual assistant. It'll track his workouts, maintain his calendar and play music. Bookmark this on your list of potential Father's Day gifts while you're at it. Number 8. Sandalwood Full-Size Kit with Synthetic Shaving Brush. The Art of Shaving. We heart this full-size shaving kit from The Art of Shaving because it includes pre-shave oil, shaving cream, a shaving brush and after-shave balm. Those are all the essentials he needs for the closest shave without the annoying ingrown hairs, burns and cuts. Number 9. MH40 Leather Over-Ear Headphones Master and Dynamic. A great gift for anyone whose boyfriend walks around with headphones practically glued to his head. This leather noise-reducing pair will give him a superior listening experience of insert name of his favorite obscure indie band here. Number 10. The Samsung Flat 65-inch 4K UHD 7 Series Ultra HD Smart TV with HDR and Alexa compatibility. What man don't like to kick back and watch some good TV? He'll love this television. It has a stunning color picture and currently Amazon's choice and our favorite pick that's currently on sale at Amazon. Links to all the items in this video are below in description. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.